ohmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to use the distributive property in an algebraic expression. So without further ado, let's begin. So guys, I have written down some steps that are going to be very useful whenever you are using the distributive property. The first one is that you're going to multiply the term outside by every single term inside the parenthesis. And then after that, you have to remember that like terms can always be reduced at the beginning or at the end. So if you have A and A, that is going to be 2A. If you have 3B plus 4B, that is going to be 7B. If you have minus 5C and you have plus 3C, that is going to be minus 2C, right? So you always have to remember to reduce like terms, right? So let's give it a shot. So guys, in this case, we're going to solve the following problem. 6 multiplied by t minus 15. So guys, the thing that you have to remember is that we can rewrite it, right? So 6 multiplied by t minus 50. Remember guys, 6 is going to be multiplying every single term inside the parentheses. So 6 is going to multiply t, and 6 is going to be multiplying minus 50. So 6 times t, right, is the same thing as writing 6 and the variable. So 6 times t, right? Now 6 times minus 50, you have to remember that this is positive. So plus times negative is negative. And 6 times 50 is going to be 300. So the answer there is 60 minus 300. And 60, since t and this number cannot be reduced, we're going to leave it like that. Okay? So guys, if you have 2 times a plus 4, you're going to multiply 2 times a, which is 2a, and 2 times 4, which is 8. And if you have both variables, right? So 3 multiplied by 5a plus 7. You're going to multiply 3 times 5a. And how do we do that? We multiply the two numbers. So 3 times 5, 15, and we put the same letter. And 3 times 7 is going to be plus 21. So that is something that you can take into account whenever you are solving a problem, right? Now, in this other case, we have minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2j plus 8. So again, guys, we can do two things. So we know that here we have two numbers, so 3 and 8. So one thing that you can do, and the first method we're going to be seeing, is that you can actually reduce them first, right? So minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2j plus 8. So inside the parentheses, 3 plus 8, we already know that that is going to give us 3 plus 8 is 11 minus 2j. So what we're doing is that we are reducing or simplifying whatever is inside the parentheses, right? And then we multiply. So minus 5 times 11 is minus 55. And minus 5 times minus 2j, minus times minus is positive. 5 times 2j is 10j. And that is one way in which we can do it. The other way is we can just first multiply and then reduce it at the end, which is what we have here. So minus 5 times 3 minus 2j plus 8. Remember guys, the minus 5 multiplies every single term inside. So minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. Minus 5 times minus 2j is positive 10j. And minus 5 times positive 8 is going to be minus 40. Right? Now guys, you have to remember, when we have minus 15 and minus 40, we can reduce that. Because they have the same sign, we add them and put the sign of the highest one, which is negative. So 15 plus 40 is 55, and we put the negative. Minus 55 plus 10j. And as you can see, it doesn't really matter which one of the two ways you do it. If you reduce it at the beginning or at the end, you still get the same answer. So guys, feel free to rewatch and replay and practice these problems on your own. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!